Weld smarter with maximum efficiency, pulse and high-speed pulse. Introducing the Orbimax TX series of industrial-grade TIG welders. Smart and simple, designed with the future of welding in mind, but with simplicity at the core. The Orbimax TX series are a single-phase industrial-grade TIG welder designed for professional welders and serious workshops where quality and precision are paramount. Put yourself in control and create the perfect weld. The TX series lets you choose a preset or override settings unique to your welding task. Choose from pre-programmed weld settings or create your own. Save the function for future jobs and easily load your saved programs. Available in DC and AC/DC configurations, the TX series of welders are lightweight, durable and simple to operate. At only 7.1 kilograms, they are highly portable, ready to handle your every welding need. German-made quality and designed for the Australian welding industry, the TX series features auto-smart programming through its intuitive interface. Manual quick selection, making it easy to access quick features such as high-frequency start, pulse, high-speed pulse, hyperpulse, smart dual-wave technology and cold tacking. The industry-tough rugged design also comes in gas and water-cooled options. Orbimax TX TIG welding solutions connect the smart and simple for real-world welding applications. Weld smarter with Orbimax.